We discussed full viscera and irregular organs. This time we focus on San Jiao. San Jiao is the collective term for the upper jaw, middle jaw, and the lower jaw. These together constitute one of the six full viscera. They're located in the thorax and the abdomen. There have been many explanations of what it is, and even now there is no consensus regarding its form or substance. Nevertheless, the functions of the Sanjiao may be summarized as follows. So here we could actually see the diagram of the Sanjiao. So it serves as a chi passage for the blood. These are the blood vessels and the meridians and collaterals. And as you can see, this serves as a conveyor of the body fluids and the yin qi. So passage of water fluids. So this has a lot to do with the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra, control of excretion of the urine and feces. So for the large intestine, the Sanjiao plays a role in the transportation of wastes. So for it is also a deep connection with the vital gate, which, as we all know, gives rise to our primordial chi. And this can go towards transforming essence from diet into blood, or it will go to nourishment of the viscera and meridians. So after transforming the essence from diet into blood, then we're going to form the nutritive chi as a result of the decomposition, digestion, and assimilation of diet by the spleen and stomach. Then we have the nutritive chi. Okay, so primordial chi, nutritive chi, and the fresh air nutritive chi, until eventually we come up with the genuine chi, and which is disseminated into the entire body. So the upper jaw is known as the mist generator, the middle jaw is the ferment chamber, and the lower jaw as the drainage. Pathway for the genuine chi. Genuine chi is the motive power of the vital activities of the human body. It is rooted in the lower jaw and originates from the kidney. It is transformed from innate essence. Genuine chi must use the pathway of the Sanjiao in order to move properly and reach the entire body in order to carry out its action of stimulating and promoting physiological activities of all the organs and tissues. Chinese medicine believes that because the Sanjiao is a thoroughfare for the movement of qi, it controls all qi of the body, including qi of the Zangfu viscera and the meridians, as well as nutritive qi and defensive qi. Second, controlling qi transformation. Transformation of qi refers to the complex changes of all types of substances. Transformation of qi takes place through the joint actions of many viscera, and among them, the Sanjiao is a very important part. It is the pathway for transportation of food and drink and for elimination of wastes. The reason is that the Sanjiao is the pathway for the movement of genuine qi, and genuine qi is the motive power for the transformation of qi, which stimulates and promotes metabolism of the human body. Third is passage for water fluids. The plain question states, the Sanjiao is the waterway dredging official in charge of waterways. Thus, it has the function of maintaining the patency of the waterways and of moving fluids. The metabolism of the body fluids is the joint action of the lung, spleen, kidney, and other organs, but the Sanjiao is the essential pathway. If the Sanjiao functions normally, the waterways are clear and metabolism of water and fluids proceeds smoothly. If Sanjiao is obstructed, movement of qi and fluids is impeded. This may lead to oliguria, edema, and ascites. Fourth is sectional division of the body. In Chinese medicine, Sanjiao is also a concept used for dividing the body into three sections. Each section contains its own visceral organs. Upper jaw contains the heart and the lung, middle jaw, the spleen and stomach, lower jaw, liver, kidney, large and small intestines, urinary bladder, uterus, and other organs. In terms of anatomical location, the liver should belong in the middle jaw, but because in Chinese medicine, the liver shares the same source as the kidney, and the two are closely interconnected in physiological functions, it is assigned to the lower jaw. Functional characteristics of the three jaw are as follows. The upper jaw is like mist. The upper jaw governs dispersion and distribution. In other words, heart and lung work together to convey and distribute essential substances throughout the body to warm and nourish like the sprinkling of mist and dew. The middle jiao is like ferment. The principal functions of the middle jiao are those of the spleen and the stomach. These functions include reception and digestion of food and drink, absorption of essential substances, evaporation of body fluid, and transformation of essential substances into blood and other fluids like fermenting. And number three, lower jiao is like a drain. Principal functions of the lower jiao are to separate, clear from turbid, and to excrete urine and feces like wastewater pouring through a drain. Thank you for your attention.